We're gonna do this a little different. We're gonna do this, but we're gonna add some that and some cheese. I was thinking of putting it with milk, but I don't think I want to do that. And I have boiled some eggs too, but we will see. There's like $13 right there. So I don't have the 2 times ramen or the 5 times one, but we're gonna use what we have. This is the last one I have, and then this is Tillamook, I don't know, slices of cheese, and then some cheddar cheese. We're gonna add both the dams and see how that tastes. And by the way, guys, this is the smoked sausage that I used. It has jalapeno and cheddar inside the sausage. So stinking good. So I'm gonna add all the little fixings first, and then maybe if there's room, I'll put some of that milk in just to, you know, get the whole experience. It's pretty watery already, but we're gonna go ahead and add some little milk just to see what happens. Just a little bit. Now it came out a little burnt. It's okay. The more burnt, the better. Alright. So put that, and then the little cheeses that we were talking about. And then that little white cheese on top. And then we're gonna let it just boil. See what happens. Okay, and that's how it ended up melting. I put a pot cover on top. So yeah. Ooh. Next will be the taste test. Yeah. This is what it looks like. Ooh, con el quesito. Making my mouth water. Then it has the little weenies. Then there's the other type of cheese right there. Now, I'm not going to do it with chopsticks because I can't do it. And I'm definitely not going to serve myself. I just want to try it like that. So let's get some cheese. And some of this guinea right here. Maybe this one. And here goes the taste test. Oh, that's kind of hot. You know what? If it's usually too spicy for you, this is a great way to tone it down a bit. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm most definitely gonna always want to try to do it like this. It just takes it to another level with the cheeses, and the sausage or weenie or whatever you call it, and milk after you boil it with straight water, and then you add the milk after. Just, you know, pour out a little bit of the water and then add some milk. Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend it, you guys. I don't even know what to say. It's so freaking good. Crystal Light on deck. Best ramen you'll ever have. I swear. Bye.